Hi everybody! Thank you so much for watching our video tutorials on branch blooms. My name is Debby Jewesson. I'm the owner of Branch Blooms and Branching Out Events. If you haven't gone to Branching Out Events, you should check it out. There's a link on our website. I would like to let you know what you're going to be learning in all these video tutorials. We're going to be teaching you how to take care of your blooms, how to receive them, how to put them in water. That's what we call flower processing. We're going to teach you how to make arrangements of all shapes and sizes. Our hope is to excite you around flowers. Our hope is to empower you. And how are we going to do that? We're going to educate you. So stay tuned and get ready for the next video tutorial, how to process your flowers.